Okay, so I wanted to do a quick video on how to configure the end stops on Redeem, because that system has changed recently. And so the first thing I do is I'm not sure which input each of the end stops is on. This is the X end stop. The Y end stop is back here. This is the Z end stop, and then there's also a set probe that must be configured. So in order to find out where each of those go, I'm looking at the, you can either look, this is the web interface, you can either look directly at the use the web interface, and that will come up here as a warning. Just press update to see new clicks, or a faster way is to hold on, to actually watch it in real time. So following the looking at the system control journal, I'm pressing the X button, and I'm seeing that it's connected to X1. Y is connected to Y2. Set is connected to set 2, and the set probe is connected to set 1. Okay, so now I have those. I know which end stop is connected to which input, so that's good. I can now look at the stepper motors again, and I see that for the X-axis, if I'm rotating this clockwise, it's going away from it. So if I'm rotating it counterclockwise, it's moving against the end stop. So the stepper should stop moving counterclockwise as it hits the end stop. For the Y-axis, as it's moving towards the end stop, it is moving clockwise. See that? It's moving clockwise. For the set axis, when I'm rotating this counterclockwise, it's moving down. So when this is it should stop moving counterclockwise. Okay, let's see if I can remember this. I go into the thing here. I've already configured this before, actually. So for each of the end stops, so X1 is it should stop X-axis counterclockwise. Similarly, for Z1 and Z2, it's counterclockwise on both of them, and for Y2 it's clockwise. So stop the stepper motor going clockwise. And this can be saved, and hopefully that will do the trick. Oh, hold on. After I've saved, I need to restart that process. So I need to restart that process. Okay. So after any change in this configuration, I need to restart the process. So going into Octoprint, I can then connect, and the X will then hopefully, yeah, it stops when it comes to the end there. And for the Y-axis, I'm just trying to move the Y-axis. That's wrong. Yeah. Towards the end stop. When it reaches it, yeah, it stops. So that's great. And it moves the other way, which is also great. Okay, so let's try a homing routine. Missed the button, I think. Okay, so that's the homing routine for the XY. And then similarly, we can home the set axis, and that should stop as well. Yep, when it hits it. Okay, and similarly, I can stop set by pressing the probe button. Okay, so that's it. Also, if you change direction in software for the end stop or for the stepper motor, that will not change the direction for it. So changing the direction in software will still cause it to stop when it moves counterclockwise. So that's the new system, and this is currently in develop branch, not in the master branch. But yeah, great.